The engine stop-start system in your Jeep Compass 2 from 2017 onwards is designed to improve fuel efficiency. It automatically shuts off the engine when the vehicle is stationary, like at a red light, and restarts it when you release the brake or press the accelerator. This reduces fuel consumption and emissions, especially in city driving, where you might save 3 to 5% on fuel. The ESS button is typically located on the dashboard, near the gear shifter or climate controls. It's usually labeled ESS or features an A symbol with a circular arrow around it. The button's location may vary slightly depending on your compass trim level and model year, so consult your owner's manual if you're unsure. To disable the engine stop-start system in your Jeep Compass, first locate the ESS button on the dashboard, typically near the gear shifter or climate controls. Next, simply press the ESS button. A light indicator, often on the button itself or in the instrument cluster, will illuminate to confirm that the system is deactivated. Keep in mind that the ESS system will likely re-engage each time you restart the vehicle, unless you use aftermarket devices, but be aware of voiding warranties. To re-enable the engine stop-start system in your Jeep Compass, start by locating the ESS button on the dashboard. Once located, press the ESS button again. This action will re-enable the system. When enabled, the indicator light will turn off, confirming that the system is now active and ready to function during your drive. If you're having trouble enabling the system, ensure the vehicle's battery is sufficiently charged and that there are no other system errors present. Some Jeep Compass models include engine stop-start settings in the Uconnect infotainment system. This provides an alternative way to control the system. Start by accessing the vehicle's settings menu on the infotainment screen. Navigate to Vehicle Settings and look for the Engine Stop-Start option. Here you can enable or disable the system, and in some models, adjust certain parameters. Recent updates allow monitoring stop-start cycles through the Uconnect app. Always check your Uconnect manual for model-specific instructions. While ESS improves fuel economy, some drivers prefer to disable it for various reasons. One common reason is the slight delay when the engine restarts after stopping. Drivers may also be concerned about battery strain, especially in cold climates where batteries can drain faster. Some are sensitive to the sound and vibration of the engine restarting. Others disable ESS in specific situations like off-roading or very cold weather to avoid potential issues. While the engine stop-start system is generally reliable, it can put extra strain on the starter motor and battery over time. To ensure optimal performance, ensure your battery is in good condition. Consider using a battery maintainer during periods of infrequent use, especially in colder climates. Occasional software updates from Stellantis, Jeep's parent company, enhance the system's reliability. Regular maintenance ensures your Jeep Compass's engine stop-start system continues to operate efficiently.